In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore pages on your WordPress site. We're currently logged in to a dashboard. We're on the Pages tab, and we see a list of the pages on our site. We also have up here different statuses for the pages, and there's a trash status. Let's click on that. These two posts are in the trash. To restore any one of them, just hover over it, click on Restore. To restore both, you can just select both those checkboxes, go to Bulk Actions, choose Restore, and click Apply. If there's a whole bunch in here, you can then click on the checkbox at the top or at the bottom of each column. That will select everything, choose Restore from the Bulk Actions, and then choose Apply. And then those posts will go back to the area of all your published posts. Something important to note, if a post is in the trash bin, it will only be there for 30 days by default. After that, WordPress will delete those posts. So if you have a post in there that you think you might want to keep, get it out of there quickly. If we go back to a list of all posts, the ones we just brought back, the About page and Contact page, are set to draft by default. If you know that they're fine and ready to go, you can just change the status to published. Or you can click on Edit and do a more thorough review of the post. I'm just going to assume these are both good. I'm going to select both of these. From the Bulk Actions, I'm going to choose Edit and then Apply. And that's going to open the quick editor or the bulk editor for both of those. Under Status, I'm going to choose Published, Update, and now these posts are back online. If the posts you're looking for are not in the trash bin and they're not in your post list, they're not set as drafts, they're just gone from your site, then the only thing you can do to get them back is hopefully you have a Google Doc or a Word doc with the actual post so you can recreate it, or you have backups in place that are run on a scheduled basis every day, for example, and you can look back through older backups of your site to find those posts and then copy them back to the live version of your site. There's a plugin that can help you with that. It's one called WP Vivid, has a free version and a paid version. I will link to that at the end of this video. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. And on the screen right now is the WP Vivid tutorial I mentioned to help you set up your backups. So check that out and I'll see you there.